Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine, and today in this video I'm going to share a miracle story of reciting durood Sharif. The story is that Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh sister. I am a medical student and I studied in Africa, and I want to tell you that I failed one of my finals exam paper, and in medical school I had to retake my paper, and if I failed in this paper again for the second time, I would not be promoted to the next class, and I would have to repeat the whole academic year, and this was so depressing situation for me. So I started reading durood Sharif 1 week before my exam. I used to study during the day, and then in night I recited durood Sharif, and I recited durood Sharif whole night. I sleep only for 4 hours. She said one day on Friday, about 2 days before my exam, I recited durood Pak from 10 a.m. in the morning up till past Isha. I slept a little, then woke up and continued reciting durood Sharif, because it was my belief if I kept reciting durood Sharif, so I would get good result. I was also fasting on Friday. I observed fast and I prayed to pass the exam. The next day, which was on Saturday, a friend of mine recommended me to study a past examination papers. She said, might possible these papers would help you in your exam. And she sent me some past papers. When I sat for my exam on Monday, the paper which my friend sent to me was the exact same paper that was tested. I had to attempt to pass my exam. All questions were repeated, and I passed my exam with good marks because I knew the correct answer to every question. I can't tell this coincidence. It's just because of Allah's wish that I recited durood Sharif, and Allah helped me from unseen. And those papers which were really helpful for me, even I did not study that questions, but when my friend sent me, I went through these questions, I studied that questions, and exact same questions came into the paper. I attempted paper in a good way. I answered them in a good way. Alhamdulillah, I passed my exam. And I firmly believed that this was just because of reciting durood Sharif. I am so grateful to Allah. Durood Sharif is the solution of all problem. If we keep reciting durood Sharif, we don't face problem. And if there is any problem, the problem will bring solution itself, because durood Sharif is the blessing. And when you keep reciting durood Sharif, you are in the blessings of Allah, and Allah always help you, and you are getting help, you are supporting, and all the things become easy for you. So this is the small story of durood Sharif. This is the miracle of durood Sharif. I think we should recite durood Sharif abundantly with istighfar, and these two zikr we should add in our life. Istighfar and durood Sharif are two most precious zikr, are two most acceptable zikr, and they always give benefits. So it's my request to add durood Sharif and istighfar in your life. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.